Today in this video we discuss about regular expressions. Already in my previous videos we have seen what is finite state machine. There are 3 videos which introduces finite state machine in detail. Please watch those videos. Finite state machine recognizes regular language. And this regular language can be represented in 2 ways. One is a regular grammar and the other one is regular expression. Today we see the definition of regular expression. In short, regular expression I have written as RE. So what is a regular expression? A regular expression describes a pattern of the string. So these 5 points well define the regular expression. This notation is known as phi. Phi is a regular expression. Epsilon is also a regular expression. Epsilon is one of the important concepts in the theory of computation. This epsilon is otherwise known as a string whose length is 0. Each symbol in sigma is nothing but the set of alphabets. So every symbol in sigma is also a regular expression. If there are 2 regular expressions, let it be alpha and beta, then alpha union beta is also a regular expression. Then alpha dot beta is a regular expression. This U is union operator, otherwise it can be called as either or operator also. This dot is an operator, this can be known as concatenation operator. Given a regular expression alpha, alpha star is a regular expression, alpha inside the parenthesis is also a regular expression. So from the simple regular expression like phi, epsilon and every symbol, the symbol can be, for example, it can be either A or B or C, something like this, is also a regular expression. We can build complex regular expression using 3 operators. One is union, dot, the other one is Kleen star operator. I have given the operators in the increasing order of precedence. In the sense, union operator has the lowest precedence, Kleen star operator has the highest precedence. I can compare this regular expression with arithmetic expression also. In arithmetic expressions, what are the operators we use? We use plus, minus, star, slash. These are the basic operators we use to build the arithmetic expressions. To build regular expressions, we use these 3 operators. Union operator, dot operator, Kleen star operator. Union means either or. Dot operator is always used to concatenate the strings. Star means 0 or more. Let us see some examples for the regular expressions now. Each regular expressions represents a regular language. I have already listed down some few simple regular expressions. Let us try to understand the meaning of all those things. Phi is a regular expression. What is the corresponding regular language? It can be written like this. L is equal to the language is empty. There are no strings. If there are no strings in the language, the corresponding or the equivalent regular expression can be given as phi. Next, epsilon is a regular expression. If epsilon is a regular expression, the corresponding regular language contains one and only string epsilon. If A is a regular expression, the corresponding regular language contains the string only A. If A union B is a regular expression, the corresponding regular language contains the strings, one is A, another one is B. We can tell the regular languages, if this is a regular language, this is a regular expression. We can tell vice versa also. Okay, suppose a regular language contains the strings A, B, C, D. The corresponding regular expression for the language, I can say A union, B union, C union, D. This is the corresponding regular expression. Okay, now let us see the next example. AB is a regular expression. It means A dot B. There is a dot operator here in between A and B. So what is the corresponding language? The language contains the string AB. Together it is a single string. Now let us see what is A star. The star operator, I already told you the meaning as 0 or more. The star operator is otherwise known as Kleen star or Kleen closure operator. Kleen is the name of the scientist. This operator is named after this person. So what is A star? The language contains 0A, 1A, 3A means write A 3 times, etc. The star means 0 or more. There is one more operator plus, but most of the textbooks, they are not accepting this plus as a legal operator in the automata theory. But the meaning of the plus is 1 or more. So what is a language? The language contains 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, etc. So plus, the operator is known as positive closure. This is the name of the operator. This plus means 1 or more. So what is the difference between A star and A to the power of plus? The difference is here epsilon is present, here epsilon is not present. That is the only difference. Now let us try to understand what is A union B the whole star. Already you all know the meaning of the star, which is 0 or more. In the same way, we try to interpret this regular expression. In place of star, first let me write 0 union. Now in place of star, let me write 1. Let me continue the regular expression. In place of star, let me write 2. In place of star, let me write 3. We can write like this infinitely. So what is A union B whole to the power of 0? It is string of length 0. Any string of length 0 is nothing but epsilon. What is the meaning of this regular expression? String of length 1. That is the meaning of this one. String of length 1 means what are the strings possible from this regular expression? It can be either A or B. A union B whole square is written here. What is the meaning of this? It means string of length 2. String of length 2 means what are the possible strings from here? It is AA, it can be AB, or it can be BA, or it can be BB. So I don't need to explain what is A union B whole 3. It is nothing but string of length 3. So what might be the strings? It is AAA, AAB, ABA, ABB, etc. We have the strings up to BBB. So as a whole, the meaning of this regular expression A union B whole star is, let me write in statement here, strings of A's and B's. It means the alphabet. What the regular expression represents is A's and B's of any length. That is the meaning of this regular expression. Once again, just we refresh what is the star. The star is nothing but Kleen star or Kleen closure operator. The meaning is 0 or more. Plus is positive closure operator. The meaning is 1 or more. In the next video, I will further discuss about regular expression in more detail with more examples. I request all the viewers to like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.